Fast track to muscle growth. Sweating can pump up your body faster than you believe. 2 sessions a week can build power pecs and biceps with the appropriate techniques. Before starting a fitness program, tell your doctor if you're inactive. Bigger arms. Hammer curl builds short-sleeved biceps with this move. Position the dumbbells towards your outer thighs and exhale as you slowly lower your elbows. Lift the dumbbells up to shoulder height and then slowly inhale as you lower them down. Bigger arms. Preacher curl biceps are better isolated with this curl twist. Use a support cushion to support your arm while holding a dumbbell palm up. After slowly raising the dumbbell, lower it to the start. Bigger arms. Triceps push down. Grab the grip with palms down and hands 6 inches apart. Upper arms should be near your chest. Place your forearms parallel to the floor. Straighten your arms to lower the cable. Do this until your elbows are fully extended but unlocked. Slowly return to the start. Bigger chest. Bench press. This classic exercise effectively targets the chest muscles. Close your grip and carefully lower the bar to your chest. Press to start again after exhaling. Simply start with the bar. Once you can carefully handle the bar, add weight. Buff vs Mr. Universe. What weight and reps are right for you? A good start is 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per exercise. Last few reps should be challenging. Strong shoulders. Front raise. Stand or sit on a bench or exercise ball for this move. Carry weights at your sides. Raise one straight arm to shoulder level with your palm towards the floor. Do not rotate palms if it hurts. Lower the arm slowly. Stand erect and align your wrists and arms. Working one arm at a time helps straighten your back. Strong shoulders. Lateral raise. This traditional move works deltoid muscles. Put weights by your sides. Work your abs to stabilize your back. Swing both arms to shoulder level to form a T. Arms and elbows should be loose. Focus on shoulder muscles by rotating your elbows outward. Drop the weight slowly to the start. Tapered torso. Wide grip pull down. This back exercise builds lats. Your waist appears slimmer. Seated on the pull down machine, hold the bar wider than shoulder width. Lean back and tighten abs. Lower the bar to your upper chest. Slowly restore the bar to the start. Abs. Kettlebell twist. This technique can make lean abs pop, especially after belly fat loss. Keep knees bent, heels on ground. Engage core, lean back. Switch kettlebell sides on floor. Well-rounded workout. Hold your feet off the floor for faster results, but only if you can maintain form. Reducing weight or twisting can relieve back discomfort. Rapid results. Supersets. Do sets of 2 workouts without rest to gain muscle faster. Start with opposite muscle group supersets. Example, bicep curls and triceps pushdowns. Quicker results. Compound sets. You can change your weightlifting routine after a few months. Perform compound sets for chest, dumbbell bench presses followed by pec flies, with no rest in between. This strengthens the chest muscles. This swiftly and totally exhausts the muscle, helping it expand. Lower body. Leg press. Every gym has a light bulb shaped person. They are the ones who neglect their lower body. Work your major leg muscles on the leg press machine. To avoid knee pain, place your feet on the plate with knees bent. Hold the grips and slowly push the plate out until your knees are straight but not locked. Slowly return to the start. Lower body. Squats work thighs and glutes. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and hold it behind your head. Maintain a strong core as you lower into a comfortable squat position. Keep your knees and back feeling supported. Rise by lifting your hips and chest with control. Lower body. Deadlift. One of the best hamstring and glute workouts. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep the bar in front. Tighten your glutes and lower the bar below your knees. You can lower it farther with a flat back and solid spine. Return to the start slowly. Protect your lower back by keeping the bar close. Lower body. Calf raise. Stand on one foot with the arch and heel of a step or platform. Hold on to anything to balance. Lower your heel and raise onto toes. Add dumbbells to challenge. Strengthen core. Work on balance without support. Bulgarian split squats. Benefits. Quads, hamstrings, glutes. Stand a few steps from the bench. Place one foot on it behind you, then lower with a straight back and push through your front heel to restart. Keep your muscles guessing. Change things up if you cease seeing benefits after several weeks of working out. To build muscles, challenge or confuse them often. You can do this by twisting basic motions. Do a biceps curl with a reverse grip. Your workout should change every 4 to 6 weeks for best results. High intensity training. Working out hard doesn't just burn calories. You'll burn them post-session. Your workout intensity affects how long and how many calories you'll burn later. However, the effect can build up. Eat right. Before you lift, feed your muscles appropriately. Eat protein at every meal and snack to get toned. Milk, eggs, cheese, and lean meats are good sources. Muesli provides long-lasting energy. Eat protein and carbs before and after exercise to boost energy, build muscle, and burn fat. Eat right. After you lift, help your muscles heal by getting protein right away. Include a healthy carb like bananas. An easy option is a protein powder or yogurt smoothie with frozen berries. Stay hydrated since muscles are 75% water, drinks maintain them healthy. Not getting enough might affect your workout, focus, and health. Simple, calorie-free water is preferable. Muscle building supplements. Bodybuilders and sportsmen appreciate creatine. Consult your doctor before starting a diet and workout plan for monitoring potential side effects. The truth about steroids: never take them to build muscle. It's illegal and can cause many health problems, including breast growth in men, heart disease, liver disease. Incorporating these exercises into your workout routine will help you build muscle effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more advanced bodybuilding tips and lessons.